Today we are in Karlskrona in southern Sweden, exploring a truly one-of-a-kind Airbnb. This place is packed with surprises, one of which is a hidden room. Can you guess where the secret door is? Watch till the end and let us know in the comments. Got a really cool property to check out today.
It looks amazing in the photos.
This whole place was actually built by the man who lives here.
Yeah.
Apparently it's a little bit different to the normal house. There's no straight lines.
No, everything is like rounded and custom tailored to fit the house.
Wow.
Look at all this space!
This is a huge kitchen.
This is great. This is more bench space than I've had in a lot of commercial kitchens where I've worked.
And with a lovely view outside of the garden too.
And it's great if you have a big family. You can sit at the table, I can still stand here, I can talk to everyone. Yeah, I love it. Now this is a fully equipped kitchen. You got not one, but two big sinks, plus dishwasher, kettle, coffee maker, toaster, stovetop, oven, microwave, freezer, fridge.
Now heading out of the kitchen, we come into this fantastic dining area. I love all the greenery that is around this dining table, and it's perfect for a family that wants to sit and have a conversation whilst they're having dinner. It's just beautiful. And look at all of this architecture. It's fantastic with these arch here. The columns just reminds me of Greece, and these mirrors are beautiful. We've got some fantastic pictures on all of the columns of different places around Europe. It just looks amazing. And walking past the kitchen, we've got all these fantastic stools here that you can sit here and have some breakfast in the morning. And then coming into the lounge room, this is incredible. I love it. Look at all the greenery everywhere. And if you look here, we still have the columns and the arches on all of the windows here. It is fantastic.
We're in the archipelago. Isn't it very fitting that they have a boat steering wheel here? Wow. Look at all these flowers everywhere.
And this bed, it's incredible.
Now in the bedroom you've got a TV which is connected to a computer that has hundreds of movies. If you don't want to get a sore neck, you can actually lift the bed. Now this is comfortable. I just love the attention to detail that they put into this place. I mean, look at the bed frame, look at these bedside table lights, everything, it just works. Now moving further into the orangery, there's another bedroom with 3 beds and a desk where you can work if you need to. They've also got a record player, which I think is really, really cool. And there's hundreds of records to choose from. We've got a bunk bed and 1 single bed. And if you open the cupboards here, there is actually plenty of toys for kids. So just perfect if you're coming with kids. This is a very well-sized bathroom with 2 sinks and a big shower with a big shower head. Plus, it's got body wash, shampoo, and conditioner.
This place even comes with its own hidden room. There is a door out there which leads into this area, and you will not know it's there unless you are told or can find it. We're not going to show it to you because that kind of defeats the purpose of a secret room. Let's head into the 3rd bedroom of the place. This is closed off to smaller groups. It's only open to larger groups and does come at an extra cost, so keep that in mind. Here we just have like a small storage area with little bits and pieces, and then coming in here we have a wonderful bathroom. Leading you in, we've got a washer and dryer, so if you are staying here for long stays you can still wash all your clothes, which is great. You've got a huge bathtub, which makes me just want to hop inside because this thing is massive. Really, really nice. Love it. Now here we have a sink, as you can see, and a huge shower, the same as in the other room, except just 1 door on this one, and a toilet too. Keep in mind that if you want access to this room, it does cost more. It does not come included for smaller groups. It's only for larger parties. Let's have a look. I love it. You've got the Taj Mahal kind of India-inspired walls here engraved into the walls. You've got 2 single beds, and the biggest TV in the house is actually hidden away in here. And I love this Moroccan architecture up the top. It just gives this place such a lovely feeling to it, and it's so different to every other room in this house.
This whole place is actually heated by waterborne floor heating, so all the heating comes only from the floors.
This home theater system is incredible. We got surround sound all in the roof. We've got big speakers in the wall. We've even got a subwoofer under the kitchen bench, so I'm sure you'll want to kick back, relax, and watch a movie here. I think the best thing about this pizza is going to be the placement of the salami. It's beautiful. Sound of the pond. It's amazing beach here.
The archipelago, the island.
They even have a boat so that you can go and explore the archipelago. The panoramic views that you have from the orangery will look out over this. Just 50 meters from the house, you've got this incredible area where in summer, I'm sure it's beautiful to go for a swim and have a little bit of a dip. You can head out to the archipelagos from here. Now in winter, it also freezes over, so you can walk over to the largest island of the archipelagos, which is just there behind me. And it's even set up for kids here. You got lots of toys so the kids can play around in the sand and enjoy this beautiful spot.
I just love how there's not a single straight line in this house. Everything is rounded and custom made. The owners built this whole place themselves, even the dining table. And look at this piece of artwork. It's incredible. And also the coffee table by the couch. All handmade by the owner. Really, really talented man.